Law of Attraction book. So, this is the book that helps to achieve the goals, things, or whatever you want to achieve in your life. Some people think that law of attraction works for only some people in some situations, but that is not true. If you want to achieve something, then you have everything right now. That is what you should think. You should believe in self and should not doubt in self, and universe will help you to get everything that you want to get. You just need to focus on right areas with right energies. Now this video is divided into 4 parts: part A, part B, part C and part D. Part A is ego, which is not overconfidence or something. Part B is ego is a friend. Part C is manifestation, motivation, special techniques. Part D is scripting method. So part A, ego. So ego is not overconfidence. So ego exists between subconscious and conscious mind, because of which you may not get what you want to get. So it is about work with both the minds. It is about work hard. It is about work from heart. It is about going out of comfort zone. It is about taking help from others. It is about not to procrastinate. Now part B, ego is a friend. So your ego is your friend. It is just helping you to survive in the situation. You should tell your ego how new situations and new challenges will help you to survive better. And if you want to get something, you should think that it is near to you, and universe will say you that it is just on the way. Otherwise universe will also say you that it is not near to you. So believe in self. So part C is manifestation, motivation, special techniques. So staking method. So in this method, write down all the things that you have, you feel gratitude about. Then write down all the people you feel good about. Then this is the technique number 1, and technique number 2 of manifestation is time-lapse method. So write down all the at least 5 things that you achieved in past. Write down at least 5 things that you are going to achieve in near, and write down at least 5 things that you are going to achieve in future. So you are going to achieve at least 15 things that you believe in self. Now part D is scripting method. So in this method you rewrite all manifestation things that you have written about in about techniques. Then you read and speak it and repeat it. Then you believe in self and do not doubt, and universe will help you to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. And then you meditate, focus and keep working towards your goal. There is the only key, that you work with consistency and efficiency. Now some of the traps that you should avoid while you are doing this. Step number 1, trap number 1, you feel good at beginning, but then you feel not good about whatever you are working or doing. So keep doing, because it is on way your goals. Then trap number 2, you do not feel good at beginning, but just start it, because you are going to get it, universe is going to help it. And trap number 3, you stop at between or at almost end. Never do this, because no one is going to let it be away from you what you want to achieve in your life. So keep going, keep doing is the mantra of success. And do not forget that whatever the things that you are doing or working on it, you should do it at least for 4 to 5 years for achieve good goals or achieve good results. So think like that. If you have done it in last 5 years, or if you are going not to done it in next 5 years, so do it consistently and with efficiently, and you are going to get it. Believe in self and say yes to self, because you choose good future over that future.